Are you the owner of a micro or small enterprise who is looking to take your business to the next level? Do you want to raise money to grow your business? Have you ever considered attracting investors for your business through the Jamaica Stock Exchange? Hi, I'm Suzelle Ray and welcome to Finance Matters. Today, we will explore how the JSE is opening doors for small businesses to grow capital through its micro market. Here with us today to tell us all about it is Gooden, Group Business Development Manager at the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow the Ministry of Finance on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Threads to see all the episodes and highlights. Mr. Gooden, thank you so much for joining us today.
Happy to be here, Suzanne.
Firstly, off the bat and in simple terms, tell us what is the Jamaica Stock Exchange's micro market?
The micro market is a platform from the Jamaica Stock Exchange which will facilitate businesses raising between 5 and 50 million to grow their businesses. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is an opportunity provider. We give investors the opportunity to invest in growing businesses, which ultimately will create wealth, and gives the opportunity for micro and small businesses to raise capital from investors to scale, grow their businesses, and ultimately to create wealth.
Can you tell me what will be the difference between the micro market and the main and junior markets?
Okay, capacity, the size. The main market consists of companies looking to raise capital over 750 million, so 750 million and above. The Jamaica Stock Exchange junior market is for companies raising between 50 million and that 750 million. And in the micro market is the category below, between 5 million and 49.999.
Mr. Gooden, we're using this word a lot, micro and small, but share with our viewers how they can know if their business falls within the category of a micro or small business.
Okay, a micro or small business, generally it's owner operated, limited in scale and size, like a hairdresser, a small furniture manufacturer, seamstress, anybody operates and owns their own business. They don't have a conglomerate of departments of marketing department, accounts department. Generally sole traders in small family-owned business who operate basically to feed themselves and take care of their families.
The stock market can be a financially volatile space. How will the new micro market cushion these entities who are not yet at the level of the main and junior markets?
Okay, they will get support from all of the business development partners in the ecosystem. Jamaica Business Development Corporation and others will be providing support, not financial, operational support, mentorship. We will also set up small managing committees, effectively functioning as a board of directors to help monitor these companies, to help them make the right strategic decisions. You are a carpenter, you know how to make furniture. To do marketing and accounting and all that is not your forte. So you have a steering committee for each of these companies, either collectively or singly, that will assist them in making strategic business decisions as to how to manage inventory, etc., etc. So they won't be out there on their own. They'll be assisted by a group of individuals and organizations, which will help them to focus on producing what they need to produce, and the other aspects of the business will be managed elsewhere.
So what I'm hearing, Mr. Gooden, is that the micro market is tailored to meet the needs of these businesses who are at that level. Can you tell us if there are specific sectors that are being targeted for the micro market?
There aren't. We operate in Jamaica mostly in a service-oriented economies. So some of the examples we spoke about before, small carpenters, mechanics, hairdressers, any small service-related business. So we don't have a specific sector that we focus on. Any small business, micro business looking to raise capital is eligible. We're not excluding any sector.
So the next big question, Mr. Gooden, now that you've shared all this information, is what will qualified businesses need now in order to enlist on the micro market when it becomes operational next year?
Okay, to have a formal business structure in place, have a business plan, if not detailed, certainly an idea of where you wish to go, because certainly we're going to be attracting investors. Investors want some information to review to make a decision as to whether or not to invest. So you have to have a simple governance structure. You have an owner and operator, you have a business plan, and you have some business process in place that guides and guards your business in terms of how it operates. And of course, guidance will be given in this area from the respective steering committees and managing committees you spoke about previously to assist you in making these requirements. But we're not looking at startups right now. You have to have a history of performance, whether it is in whatever sector it is. So a minimum of 2 years in operation, a registered business, and a financial record and a business plan.
Okay, so those are the items needed to enlist. Finally, Mr. Gooden, where can we get more information about the services offered by the Jamaica Stock Exchange?
We have a website, www.jamstockx.com, and a lot of information is there. We have a FAQ section, which answers questions about how to invest and how to raise money on the market.
Mr. Gooden, thank you so much for joining us today and telling us more about the Jamaica Stock Exchange's micro market. I'm sure our micro and small businesses will benefit from this opportunity.
Thank you for the invitation, and we look forward to the launch of the micro market in April 2026. And we want to thank all the government agencies who are partnering with us on this journey as we look forward to creating wealth in Jamaica.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us on this episode of Finance Matters. Remember to follow us on social media at MOF Jamaica and tune in next week as we continue to demystify the economic and fiscal policies and initiatives implemented by the government to empower Jamaicans as we chart a path to Jamaica's economic prosperity.